This is Daisy the duck. Daisy was curious, playful, and very, very impatient. She wanted everything right now. One sunny morning, Daisy saw some yummy fish swimming in the pond. She got so excited and rushed to catch them, splash, but every single time she rushed, the fish zipped away. Oh dear. Next, Daisy spotted some juicy berries on a bush. I'll get them fast, she thought. But she rushed again, and whoops! The berries tumbled and rolled everywhere. A wise old turtle, watching nearby, said gently, "Slow down, little Daisy. Good things take time." Daisy took a deep breath and decided to try the turtle's advice. She went back to the pond. This time, she waited and waited. Soon, a fish swam right up to her. And this time, she caught it. Daisy learned a very important lesson that day. Being patient helps us do things much better. If you enjoyed Daisy's story, please like and subscribe to AZ Little Minds for more fun stories for kids. Thanks for watching.